In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify my Google account with AdsPower. To give your Google account the best chance of verifying smoothly, the first thing you want to do is make sure your profile fingerprints are fully synced with your proxy IP. This matters because Google pays close attention to consistency. If your browser settings suggest you're in one place, but your connection appears to come from somewhere else, that mismatch can trigger extra checks or make the login look suspicious. Start by adjusting the time zone setting. Set it to based on IP so your browser's system clock matches the local time of the proxy node you're using. This helps your environment look natural and aligned, which is exactly what you want during account verification. Next, check the WebRTC setting. Choose forward to help mask your real local IP address and reduce the chance of WebRTC leaks. Even if the rest of your setup looks correct, a leaked IP can create a conflict between what the browser says and what the network reveals behind the scenes. Keeping this setting properly configured adds another layer of consistency. After that, turn on the option to fill in geolocation based on IP. This allows your latitude and longitude to match the location of your proxy. In other words, your browser won't just appear to be in the right country or city at the network level, it will also report a matching physical location when requested. Finally, make sure the browser language matches your proxy's target country. For example, if you're using a German proxy, set the language to DDE. Language is another small detail that platforms use to assess whether a browsing environment looks authentic. Once these settings are aligned, your browser profile will present a much more consistent identity, which can help reduce verification friction when accessing your Google account through AdsPower.